Like most big-name car makers, Ford intends to offer fully electric versions of its most popular vehicles in the coming years. The CEO has even hinted at plans to develop a full electric model of the beloved Bronco. If you're dying to get your hands on one but wondering if you can afford it, you're certainly not alone. Let's talk about the estimated price of a Ford Bronco EV. While the Ford Bronco Hybrid and the Bronco Sport Hybrid are expected to debut in 2024, no official word has been released. That said, there is no current pricing information available for a Ford Bronco EV. What we know right now is that the 2022 gas-powered Bronco has a starting MSRP of $30,410. With whispers of an EV version set to launch in the next year or two, experts predict that a hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrain will up the base price of a Bronco by a few $1,000s. If you can't stand to wait and you have a high budget, consider exploring Gateway Electric Ford Broncos. This unique restoration project, known as a Restamod, restores and modifies classic Broncos, morphing them into full-on EVs. Prices range from $150,000 to $300,000. You could also look into the EVs currently offered by Ford, including the Mustang Mach-E, the F-150 Lightning, and the E-Transit. To find out more about electric vehicles, including how to save hundreds of dollars when insuring your EV, hit the subscribe button or go to getjerry.com.